So another feature we want to introduce you to with your Chromebook or Google Chrome, really on any device, is how you can add apps to Chrome. Now, apps are basically web programs that can run online or offline, depending on the app, to help make your use of Chrome a little more efficient, a little more effective, and just more enjoyable. So one of the things we're going to do right now is open a new tab. And you'll notice before I was often going up to my 9 squares on the right hand side to get into apps. But in the top left corner of Chrome you also have those 9 squares and it says show apps when you hover on it. If we click that one, it'll list all the apps that you have. So you automatically have Docs and Drive and YouTube and Gmail and Slides and Google Sheets. They're the apps that come with what we use. But there's also the web store, and that's where we're going to go for our apps. So with apps, you'll notice when you go to the web store there is a category for that. Yes, there is a category for games. I will tell you they're not the greatest yet on this particular device, so yeah, we're addressing that right now. But with apps, that's what we're going to look at. You can browse the featured apps and see what they have available, but I'm going to show you an app or two that really could be helpful for you. The first app I want to show you is called Lucidchart. So with Lucidchart, if you are going to be making diagrams and brain maps and things like that, or charts, you can go to Lucidchart. I'm just going to choose Lucidchart app. And you'll notice it labels our apps up here. So there is a desktop version, online and offline. And this one is a little bit more for online only, but it's a nice, easy app you can use. So there's also a Lucidchart for education, so it's only for educational use. I'm going to go ahead and click Add to Chrome, and it's checking it and says, do we want to add Lucidchart for education? It can display notifications and read data you copy and paste. We're okay with that, so I'm going to click Add App. So it's going to load this and it'll go back to my app screen, and there we have Lucidchart for education. So you can go in and play with that, try that out, but it's a really nice way to make some of those other charts and graphs. To go back to the web store, I'm going to show you one more that can be really helpful. I use this quite a bit. It's called DocHub. DocHub allows you to edit PDFs. So if your teacher shares something with you, say a story in PDF, but you like to highlight what you're reading or make notes in the margin, you can right click on the file and say open with DocHub if you have this app, and it'll allow you to edit what you're working on. So I'm going to add this to Chrome here. It's going to verify I want to do that. And now when it goes back to my app tab, there's DocHub. So two really good apps you can use to help make life a little bit easier. Feel free to explore more, and at the bottom of our page we're going to suggest more apps and extensions, which I'll explain in the next video, that might be of use to you. See you in the next video.